Okay, here are 10 job interview questions tailored for Omer Akram Mogul based on his CV, focusing on experience, technical skills, and incorporating situational questions.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's carry on. Thank you.
Based on your internship at Netvertex, can you describe a time when you faced a significant technical challenge during web application development using HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and jQuery? How did you overcome it? Situational and technical.
During my internship at Nevertex, I faced the challenge with creating a responsive navigation bar using Bootstrap and custom JavaScript. The navigation bar wasn't adapting properly on mobile device. To solve it, I thoroughly review the Bootstrap documentations, adjustment the grid system, and customize the media query to ensure it functioned across all screen size. Thank you.
Your CV mentions experience with both web and desktop application development. Could you elaborate on a specific desktop application you developed using Java or C++, detailing its purpose and your role in the project? Experience and technical.
I developed a desktop inventory management application using for Java for a small retail business. The apps allow users to track stock levels, generate reports, and manage order. It was responsible for designing the user interface with JavaFX, implementing core feature like search and filter functionality, and connecting to the app to a local database using GDBC. The project improved inventory tracking efficiently and reduced the human error. Thank you.
You mentioned working in teams of varied sizes and skill sets. Describe a situation where you had to collaborate with someone who had a different approach or skill level than you. How did you ensure effective teamwork and achieve the project goals? Situational and experience.
In one project, I collaborate with a teammate who had less experience with front end development. While I was more focused on that area, initially we faced challenge in aligning on design and functionality. To ensure effective teamwork, I took time to explain concepts clearly and provided code samples. I also encouraged open communication and set up regular check-ins to address issues quickly. By combining my strength in front end with their expertise in back end development, we were able to create cohesive and functional application meeting to the project goal successfully. Thank you.
You listed knowledge of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and Java. If we asked you to explain the difference between equals equals and equals 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 in JavaScript, how would you respond? Technical.
Okay, in JavaScript, check for the value equality with type conversions, meaning it compares two value after converting them to a common type. In contrast, checks for both value and type equality without conversions. For example, 5 equal 5 is true, but 5 equal 5 is false because one is a number and other is a string. Thank you.
In your final year project, you built an indoor patient service software. What were some of the key design decisions you made, and how did those decisions improve the user experience or efficiency of the software? Experience and technical.
In my final year project, I designed indoor patient service software with a focus on simplicity and speed. Key decisions included using a modular design to separate functions like patient admissions, billing, and doctor assignment, which improved maintainability. I implemented a clean, user-friendly interface using JavaFX, ensuring hospital staff could navigate it easily with minimal training. I also optimized database query to reduce loading time, improving efficiency in high traffic scenario. These decisions led to faster operations and a smoother user experience for medical staff. Thank you.
Let's say a user reports a bug on a web application you developed. Walk me through your process of debugging and fixing the issue, from initial problem report to deployment of the fix. Situational and technical.
When user reports a bug, I first gather detailed information what they were doing, the error message, browser used, and step to reproduce it. Next, I replicate the issue in a local or staging environment to confirm it. Then I use browser developer tools and console log to trace the bug and identify the root cause in the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or backend logic. Once I was found, I will fix the code, write the test if needed, and verify the fix locally. After that, I push the change to a version control system, run QA testing on staging, and then deploy the fix to production, ensuring minimal downtime. Thank you.
You mentioned object-oriented design in the context of web application development at Netvertex. Can you describe a specific object-oriented principle, like inheritance, polymorphism, or encapsulation, that you applied in a project and why it was beneficial? Technical.
At Networtex, I applied encapsulation while developing modular JavaScript components for a web application. I use closures and EEFES to hide internal variable and expose only necessary method. This keep the code organized, reduce the risk of conflicts, and make it easier to maintain. Encapsulation helped ensure its component handled its own logic securely without interfering with others, improving code clarity and reliability. Thank you.
You listed multiple operating systems you're familiar with. In your opinion, what are the key advantages of using Linux/Ubuntu for web development compared to Windows? Technical.
Okay, Linux or Ubuntu offer several advantages for web development compared to Windows. It provided more developer-friendly environment with powerful command line tools, easier package management via API, and better performance for running servers like Apache, Nix, or Node.js. It's also more compatible with many open source technology and framework commonly used in web development. Additionally, Linux file system and permissions structure give more control and security, which is especially useful for server-side development and deployment. Thank you.
Describe a time when you had to learn a new technology or tool quickly to complete a project. What was your learning strategy, and how did you apply your new knowledge? Situational and skills.
During my internship, I had to quickly learn jQuery to add dynamic features to a web application. My strategy was to start with the official documentation and basic tutorials. The practice by rewriting small parts of existing JavaScript code using jQuery. I also referred to Stack Overflow for specific use case. Within a few days, I was able to implement feature like a form validation and interactive UI elements, which improved the user experience and meet the project's deadline effectively. Thank you.